In the heart of Cambodia, amidst the ancient ruins and serene landscapes, stood a magnificent temple, its weathered stones whispering tales of centuries gone by. At the entrance, a massive bull grazed peacefully, its rhythmic chewing a melody that harmonized with the tranquil ambience of the sacred grounds. Under the dappled shade of towering trees, the bull savored the lush greenery that carpeted the temple grounds. With each bite, it immersed itself in the simple pleasure of nourishment, oblivious to the passage of time and the world beyond. The sunlight filtered through the foliage, casting a golden glow upon its massive form, as if anointing it with divine grace. As the bull lowered its head to graze, the faint rustle of leaves mingled with the soft crunching of vegetation, creating a symphony of natural sounds that reverberated through the tranquil oasis. Around it, the ancient stones of the temple bore witness to the ebb and flow of existence, their silent presence a testament to the enduring spirit of this sacred land. In this timeless moment, the bull embodied a serene tranquility, its presence a symbol of strength and resilience amidst the ever-changing tapestry of life. With each mouthful, it seemed to draw sustenance not only from the verdant foliage, but also from the spiritual essence that permeated the very air around it. Around the temple, the world stirred with the gentle rhythm of nature's embrace. Birds flitted among the branches, their songs weaving through the stillness like threads of melody. Butterflies danced on the breeze, their delicate wings painting the air with vibrant hues of beauty and grace. As the bull continued to graze, it seemed to embody a profound sense of contentment, finding solace in the simplicity of this sacred moment. In its presence, one could almost sense the echoes of ancient wisdom whispering through the ages, reminding all who beheld it of the eternal cycle of birth, death, and rebirth. And so, in front of the temple in Cambodia, amidst the ancient ruins and tranquil beauty, the bull grazed on, its peaceful demeanor a timeless reminder of the sacredness that dwells within the heart of all living beings. And as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting its golden rays upon the temple grounds, the bull remained, a silent sentinel guarding the sanctity of this sacred space. Thanks for watching my video, and help subscribe my channel have more new videos. Thank you.